You can quickly make an easy and delicious ranch dip with high-protein cottage cheese. It's blended smooth with a little mayo and classic ranch flavors, including parsley, dill, garlic, and onion powder. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this super easy dip, we're going to start with cottage cheese, but you could also use Greek yogurt if you prefer. To blend it smooth, you could use a blender or a food processor. I'm going to use the chopper cup that comes with my immersion blender. We're going to start with 1 cup of cottage cheese, and you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can just click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. And then to add a little bit of oil and flavor, we're going to add 1/4 cup of some mayo. And this is my homemade mayo made with light olive oil that is delicious. And I've included a link to this recipe in the video description below also. Now to season our dip, you could use a ranch dip seasoning packet, or you could add the seasonings yourself. So we're going to start with 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll simply put on our lid and blend it until it is smooth and creamy. Well, that looks perfect, and there's no trace of that curdled cottage cheese texture. My favorite ways to enjoy this dip is on a chip. That is so good. So simple, but so tasty. I love how it has all that Italian flavor, but with a little hint of cheese from the cottage cheese. And I also love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm gonna feel just as good even after I eat it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.